Today I went for a little hike and decided to bring my Proficiency Pocket Combo. And as you can see, it's tiny. You can take this thing, maybe paddle boarding, kayaking, put it in your backpack. And this is it when it's folded up together. And let's see what it looks like when it's extended. So there you go. Got a nice little grip on the side, and it seems pretty much sturdy. It says that it holds a 6-pound line, 40 yards, but I decided to switch it out for an 8-pound line. So I'm going to be doing a little demonstration next. Okay, so I didn't catch anything big. I just caught that one small fish, but the video is just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to be doing some more traveling and checking out some other places and hopefully catching something bigger. But again, it's well worth it if you're trying to get into fishing or you want to take your kids fishing. It's small, it's portable, and you can stick this in a day pack. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so you can go and check it out.